Mireya din, oh. This is your gift, oh. Come on here. Sit down with ate.
Ilabas mo na yung pesto para mainit.
Sit down with ate. Happy Valentine's Day, my baby. Ayun na nga. Sit down, sit down, sit down. Happy Valentine's Day. Oh, here's yours. Oh, I have flower for you, oh. Mama also have flower. One for baby. And one for ate. That's yours. Color pink, yours kay ate red. And this one.
Yours, that's yours.
And yay!
Baboy! Baboy!
Are you happy? Are you happy? What did you say to mama? What did you say? Don't know how to say thank you.
Go get her flower.
Oh, you also have flower from Ate Shermel. Ate Shermel, ano? May ka-flower for you, oh. Thank you. Ito daw, gift niya sa akin tissue. Thank you, nak.
Thank you.
Oh, ate give you a sticker. Oh, you hold this one.
No na.
Ang kulit. Oh, Ate Shermel, this one is for you. Achoo. Oh, you open my gift to ate. You open. Ah!
Yeah!
Baby, naka-video ka. Ang hiling mo ganyan.
There's your mommy. There's your mommy. Baby.
Baby, masisira yung kuko ko dito.
Ako na.
You, ask for ate. Di ba, may gift to ate, oh. Gusto na agad niya mag-bubble, so. I gave ate many chocolate. Favorite ni ate. I have a message for you there. Baka yung binigay kong hinapin sa pagpalit-palit mo ngayon, pangalan yun. Oh, you should have dark chocolate para hindi siya, sa healthy. That's your favorite matcha. And your favorite perfume. Kasi isang perfume bumali, kasi mali yung rinig ng kasama ko. Dapat DKNY sabi ko.
Bubbles.
Wow, you want that bubbles?
Baby doctor.
What? Baby doctor ka? Favorite.
Oh.
Favorite ni ate. Nakain mo na yung dali na chocolate? Masarap? Masarap?
Daming flavor.
Sarap? Bigyan mo si Mireya. Oh, you get the chocolate there. Mama will get. Sit down with ate. Mama will get the chocolate.
Baby bubbles.
Mas gusto niya na ng bubbles.
Wait lang po.
Ito yung binigay kong chocolate kay Ate Shermel nung bago mag-30. Ay! Ay! Ala! Mahulog, baby! Oh, yung hingi ka kay ate. Wow! Subo agad siya. Subo agad ang baby. Tignan mo, may pag-ganon-ganon pa siya. Okay? Ayos ah. Ayos, baby loves ko ah. Nagustuhan mo ba ang gift ng mama, Ate Shermel?
Yeah, thank you.
I love you.
Love you.
Ano ba yan? Ano ko ng kalat? Is it yummy, baby? Is it yummy? Is it yummy?
Mommy.
Mommy, get. Oh, cheers. Favorite niya, mag-cheers kami. Oh, thank you, my loves. Ang sweet-sweet naman ng anak ko. Binibigyan ng mama. Cheers daw kami. Cheers. Ano ba ito? Alak lagi. Cheers. Magsimba na muna tayo. After magsimba yun na lang lunch natin kasi alangan din natin. Mag-asikaso kami extensive. Huwag tayong malate. Ate can't have bubbles because we're eating. Tissue. Kain muna kami ng chocolate. Si Yummy? Bye-bye ka na muna, baby. Bye-bye. Mireya Jean, bye. Look at the camera.
Bye-bye.
Flying kiss. Flying kiss. Busy na siya tingnan yung chocolate.
Triangle.
Triangle. Triangle.
Circle.
Circle. What else?
Dog.
What?
Look.
Dog? Huh? Long?
Oh,
Is that a dog? That's a teddy bear.
that's a good.
Teddy bear.